Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Rodrigo Della Pasaribu. I am from the Economic Education Study Program with a name of 2313240026. Here I will review my understanding of the three texts I have read. The first text says that college can be a time of great change for students. But it can also be a time of emerging mental health problems. The study show that mental health problems among college students have increased over the past 8 years, with the latest increases seen among American Indian or Alaskan Native students. The study also found the students of color were less likely than white students to seek help for mental health problems. Researchers believe that universities can do more to support the mental health of their students, such as providing more resources and training for mental health professionals of color. The second text says a study in Indonesia showed that there was a significant increase in depression rate among students. The pandemic and social isolation are the main factor contribution to this increase. Universities are required to have counseling service, but most do not have trained professionals. The government promoted universities and development programs to create a healthier academic environment. The third text says that this pandemic has caused a spike in mental health problems among school children. Schools are facing more behavioral problems, and mental health professionals are overwhelmed. This is due to a number of factors, including the stress of returning to school after a years of distance learning, the academic challenge of catching up, and the loss of loved one to COVID-19. Children of color are disproportionately impacted by this loss. Schools are struggling to meet the demand for mental health service, and many children have to wait months or even years to get help. The conclusion is that the pandemic and social isolation are the main factors that cause depressions. Students feel burdened, anxious, and hopeless. Society stigma towards mental health also exacerbates these problems. Depression can cause students grade the baseline even to the point of attempting suicide. Students have difficulty participating in distance learning and cannot interact with their peers. Existing solution: universities should provide counseling service, but most do not have training professionals. The Indonesian government is reforming universities with blended learning or online and face-to-face, and is developing programs to create a healthier academic environment. Some organizations such as Empathy Space offer online consultation service and therapy programs for students. In general, the mental health of students in Indonesia is a serious concern. Cooperation is needed from the governments, universities, and community organizations to overcome these problems. Okay, that's all I can conclude from the mental health text. That's all from me. Thank you.